A pair of simultaneous equations gives information about two unknown numbers. They need to be solved together to give the two solutions. We use substitution when one of the variables is the subject of one equation. This is because then we can easily replace this into the second equation. For example, y equals 2x plus 1 is the subject of the first equation, so I'm going to substitute it onto the second equation. Replacing y with 2x plus 1 leads to 3x equals 6, so x must be 2. Now, we replace x with 2 to find the value of y. Since y is 2 times x plus 1, 2 times 2 plus 1 equals 5, the value of y. The solution is x equals 2 and y equals 5. Let's look at some applications. A flat white costs 75 cents. More than an Espresso. The total cost is $8.25. Calculate the price of the Espresso. Since x is the subject of the first equation, we can easily replace it into the second one. This leads to the equation y plus 0.75 plus y equals 8.25. 2y equals 7.5. So y equals 3.75. Stop the video here and try this second application. Right. Did you try? Again, since x is the subject of the first equation, we can easily replace it into the second one. This leads to the equation y plus 8 plus y equals 25. 2y equals 17, so y must be 8.5. Substituting this into the equation for x, 8.5 plus 8 hours than EVA trains per week. Care must be taken when answering the question. In this third application, Simon works 12 more hours per week than Peter. Peter earns $15 per hour and Simon earns $21 per hour. Altogether, they earn $1,260 per week. We need to calculate Peter's weekly salary. If you stop here and pay attention, Peter's weekly salary is represented by y, so no need to go all the way through till we find x. We simply replace x and we deal with the brackets as we learned in our previous video. We solve for y. Peter works 28 hours, so he earns 28 times 15, $420 per week. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!